I've been using the Vanguard Investment mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Vanguard was its extensive range of low-cost mutual funds and ETFs, aligning with my long-term investment strategy. Additionally, the mobile app allows me to review account balances, monitor performance, and manage investments on the go. On top of that, features like mobile check deposit and fund transfers add to its convenience. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the app's user interface feels outdated compared to competitors, making navigation less intuitive. On top of that, its recent updates have altered some of its functionalities. For instance, some users have reported losing the ability to view stock prices, daily changes, and total gains or losses simultaneously. Additionally, advanced trading tools are limited, which might not suit active traders seeking comprehensive features. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's reliability. As some users have expressed dissatisfaction with the app's interface, citing issues with coin tracking accuracy and outdated information, which can impact the overall user experience. Overall, my experience with the Vanguard Investment mobile app has been mixed, especially considering the app offers essential features suitable for long-term, hands-off investors, such as access to a variety of low-cost investment options and basic account management tools. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.